Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Krono English. This is your 5 to 8 minute shadowing practice. Even if you're cooking, walking, or just relaxing, you can do this right now. This isn't just listening, it's speaking practice. So open your mouth and shadow with me. Watch until the very end. Let's begin. Imagine you just walked into a restaurant. The waiter greets you. "Excuse me, can I see the menu, please?" Now you say it. "Excuse me, can I see the menu, please?" Great! You look at the menu, but you have a question. What do you recommend? Now you say it. What do you recommend? Good! The waiter suggests something. You want to order it. "I'll have the grilled chicken, please." Now you say it. "I'll have the grilled chicken, please." Nice. Maybe you want to change something in the dish? "Can I get that without onions?" Now you say it. "Can I get that without onions?" Perfect. Now you want a drink too. "Can I also get a glass of water?" Now you say it. "Can I also get a glass of water?" Sometimes you're really hungry and want to order more. "Actually, can I add a side salad?" Now you say it. "Actually, can I add a side salad?" Good. Maybe you have a food allergy. "I'm allergic to peanuts. Is this dish safe?" Now you say it. Great! The food arrives, but something's wrong. "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake with my order." Now you say it. "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake with my order." No worries, it happens. "This isn't what I ordered." Now you say it. "This isn't what I ordered." Good. They fix it. Now you're enjoying your meal. "This tastes amazing." Now you say it. "This tastes amazing." You're almost done eating. "Could I get the check, please?" Now you say it. "Could I get the check, please?" Maybe you're paying together with friends. "Can we split the bill?" Now you say it. "Can we split the bill?" Or maybe you're paying for everyone. "I'll get this one, don't worry." Now you say it. "I'll get this one, don't worry." Great! Time to pay. Do you accept credit cards? Now you say it. Do you accept credit cards? Perfect! And before you leave, don't forget to be polite. "Everything was delicious. Thank you so much." Now you say it. Everything was delicious. Thank you so much. Amazing work, my friend! You just practiced ordering food in English in just a few minutes. The more you speak, the more natural you'll sound. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Shai, and this is Krono English. Keep speaking, keep shadowing, keep improving. See you next time.